Hello everyone, happy 2025. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on for the next couple of videos. My plan for 2025 is to do a video every week. Probably release Thursday or Fridays every week. So we'll see how that goes. What we're going to start on in 2025 is Harry Gant's Skoal Bandit Oldsmobile. 1991, when he was Mr. September, won 4 Winston Cup races in a row. So that's what we're going to be working on. I'll kind of show you what's in the kit. This came from the dual Kodak kit, 2 Oldsmobiles. I think one was Rick Wilson, the other was Ernie Irvan. This will be the Ernie Irvan Oldsmobile out of that kit. So there's the glass. It's got a little bit of a mark there. Hopefully it doesn't give us too much issue. Here's the chrome tree. It's kind of a satin chrome, and if you can look, it's basically a Lumina tree because the front bumper doesn't have any of the grill openings for it. So, and then the fantastic molded in yellow monogram kit. Let's open it up and see what we got. Here's the body. Here's the chassis bottom, some roll bars, the rear truck arms. Here's our front bumper, rear bumper, headers, looks like, roll bars. The chassis part of this is basically, like I said, a Lumina kit. There's really not much difference. There's the other part of the headers. It's the side roll cages. Engine half. Exhaust dumps. Dash. Front suspension. Steering wheel. Seat. Fuel cell. Firewall. Rear. Roll bar. There's the other engine half, oil pan, and the hood. So that's what we're going to be working on the next couple of videos, is this kit here. I'm building this for, it's a Facebook group called NASCAR Modeling Outlaws. They have a contest, Facebook contest. Finishing date is February 16th at the end of the Daytona 500. It's a box stock category, so I'm not doing any kind of modifications or anything like this. It's just building it box stock, and that's the way I'll be building it on the video. So if you haven't joined that group, it's really a neat group. The guys that run it are awesome. They're all really good people. So, you know, something to think about. You should join up if you can. It's pretty neat. I'll see you there. So, anyways, that's it for today's video. Everybody have a good one. And again, happy 2025. Thank you.